Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. No Mrs. Claus or even her own scores of elves, but the angel is on a mission to provide shelter to families affected by Hurricane Melissa in time for the Christmas season through her Angels Foundation.
So we definitely have about 10 houses that we really want to get out of the way for Christmas, and the families are homeless pretty much. So, I know the tents will definitely, give them hope other than just being outside in the rain, because I've already gotten feedback. Okay, the angel, if it wasn't for the tents, I would be out in the road, out in the cold, out in the rain, out in the sun.
The singer is seeking donation of building supplies, food products and cash or kind to help bring smiles to the faces of some residents in Western Jamaica.
For persons that want to drop off, we have a drop-off location, so it's easier. It's 1 Annette Crescent across from Mega Mart. So I'm actually partnering with Triple T's. Miss Anderson, she welcomed me there, and that's my location. The persons can easily find it across from Mega Mart.
She says interested persons can reach her on social media at Angels Foundation JA or at 876-288-8047. In the meantime, she's looking to hit the ground running on December 23 for her annual Christmas treat. Masicka drops his highly anticipated EP. Her name is Love. The 8-track project was released on Friday via Def Jam Recordings and blends dancehall with touches of Latin, Afrobeats, pop, and R&B. It also features a collaboration, Please, with American rapper Lola Brooke and fan favorite Keys. Now, on the international scene, American rapper Ice Spice receives backlash over SpongeBob screening outfit. Excitement initially surrounded her involvement in the beloved franchise, especially given her breakout hit Bikini Bottom, which nods directly to the SpongeBob universe. However, attention soon shifted from celebration to scrutiny as photos and videos from the event spread online. Ice Spice wore a white lace semi-sheer dress that quickly became the focal point of social media chatter following her arrival. Parents and commenters questioned whether the outfit felt appropriate for the premiere, marked as family-friendly. Others described the look as unnecessary for a children's movie premiere, while few reactions took a lighter, joking tone. That's it for the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.